the Monomex family are the pioneers in the development of research and future technology. This is done by embodying struggle, knowledge, work and innovation. We make a difference with the productive power of our industrialists. This is the best parametric method for effective mixing in a wide range of fields, from industry to cosmetics, due to our twin-screw extruder and control equipment designed and manufactured. We are distinguished by the productive strength of industrialists working in the field of plastics, by working with our experienced staff that have proven their experience. In solving all our clients' problems, thus through work that we fully value and give our attention to. We see our strength as a family and receive it from our customers as well. We at Monomex work non-stop to fully produce what our customers demand and deliver them on time. Through this hard work, it became the guarantee of sustainability in the industrial market because Monomex creates its own innovative designs. Indeed, in this way, the highest level of correct work and integrated production was guaranteed through the invaluable knowledge and experience that appeared in all machines and equipment of the Monomex brand, both in the areas of design and manufacture, with the important production of customers from an economic point of view. Thus, Monomex customers are able to produce more in their own production. They enjoy positive differentiation from their competitors at a competitive price. In order to experience this fun together and achieve profitable and high-quality production, we are waiting for you to join the Monomex family, and together we will be in the first road.
Monomex.
Beyond appearance.